use your desktop light pen. I have one of these old tablets here. It's a Viz tablet, and it works pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to get rid of it. And I have a light pen here on my desktop PC. I'm using Windows 10, and I like the fact of reading in front of my computer and using a pen that feels natural, or something in my hand instead of a mouse and getting carpal tunnel and all that great stuff. So, which might happen anyway. But I wanted to show you if how to do this. You can't do this in the Kindle app. The Kindle app only you can use the mouse. It doesn't recognize the input of your tablet or your light pen, really. It's just too difficult, really. I mean, it might recognize it, but it's difficult. It's like using a mouse. You might as well just use a mouse. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do it without the app. You could do it through Microsoft Edge, which is just great. And it has some tools in there that you can really use. So I have something on the screen. So you want to go to open up your Microsoft Edge. You want to go to read.amazon.com, log into your account, open up the book you want. And I have a book up here already, and I already highlighted some stuff. But let me just show you. I'm using this pen, and I'm using my tablet. And let's just say I want to highlight something. I can go like this. And this highlight is actually from Amazon. So this will translate over into your Kindle like that. So you could do it like this. This is good. And you could do it like that. But let me show you the tools that I want to even touch upon. As you can see, if I just tap the word, it will give me a dictionary, give me the meaning of the word. But this is a tool up here at the very top. This little pen, it opens up OneNote, and this is really the benefit of OneNote. I love OneNote. Some people use Evernote, and hey, it doesn't really matter, but I really like OneNote. So I can say right here, I can just draw and say, yes, or, I can just write in here. This is how I feel naturally when I want to do something. I like stuff like this. Then I can use the highlighting tool, which is like this, and it takes my natural handwriting. I can erase it if I don't feel like I want that, or I want this. I can erase that. Um, Let me get, I don't see. Now, there are some quirky things about that. As you can see, this little thing, I might have used the mouse to actually get rid of this little screen, right? Oh, matter of fact, I'm in OneNote, so I can't do that. So, let's say I exit out of here. Now, before I do this, once I click on that OneNote, this is saving as pretty much as an image. So, let me go back out of here, and let me just show you, if you do have something on the screen. Now, I'm back to readamazon.com, and I'm glad you saw this in the video so that you can prevent this. Read on Amazon.com. I got my book open. I'm gonna hit this little tool here. And if I had hit the tool, and once I hit the tool, it makes a screen capture of what an image. It grabs an image. It's a screenshot, really. And I'm just working off the screenshot. And this is allowing me to use these tools. You know, um, right? This is allowing me to use these tools. So I can do what I need to do using these tools. Now, once I get done, I can hit save it to my quick notes, and now I have it in my OneNote. But I just wanted to give everyone just a brief. This might be helpful. You don't want to mark up like 4,000 pages, But if you have like 50 pages, or you deal with a chapter by chapter, you have hard drive space, because really this takes up hard drive space. If anything, it's not a lot of hard drive space. But if you're working through stuff like that, I think it would be good for you to even do that. And even when you exit out of this mode, it asks you if you want to save. You can say no. But if you want to just keep it in the Kindle, you can keep it in the Kindle just like this. So while I'm in the Kindle mode, I can highlight and do the same thing as well. All right, this is just a little short video. Please make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. I try to post some weird kind of quirky things that I find that helps all of us on our journey of reading and accelerating our minds. Talk to you guys soon.